Executive Report, Parkinson's Disease Therapeutics and Diagnostics 20-5-2030 today will cover the Parkinson's disease, PD therapeutics and diagnostics landscape, providing an outlook through 2030. This is a follow-up to our previous report covering the pipeline in more detail. You can find more information below. Let's begin with the market overview. The global Parkinson's disease therapeutics market is expected to grow from $6.59 billion in 2020 to approximately $13.34 billion by 2034, reflecting a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 7.3%. Key growth drivers include an aging population and increasing PD prevalence, advanced delivery platforms, and combination therapies, expanding diagnosis rates due to improved awareness and digital tools. The U.S. market alone is expected to exceed $2.6 billion by 2030, with 𝗪𝗡 and 𝗪𝗛𝗏 among the leaders in the advanced PD segment. To gain deeper insights, we've identified two key drivers: technology push and market pull. Technology push includes drug delivery innovation, non-dopaminergic therapies, and diagnostics integration. Meanwhile, market pull comprises high unmet needs, patient-centric care, and regulatory incentives. Looking at the technology push side, drug delivery innovation focuses on advanced platforms like continuous subcutaneous infusion therapies such as Vyalev and Onapgo, which offer improved pharmacokinetic control compared to oral therapies. These therapies provide more consistent dosing and potentially reduce the need for surgical interventions, like in the case of apomorphine, which has traditionally been delivered via injection. Additionally, non-dopaminergic therapies represent a significant pipeline opportunity, targeting alpha-synuclein, glutamate, and adenosine A2A receptors. These targets aim to address the limitations of levodopa and other dopamine-based therapies. Diagnostics integration leverages AI-powered imaging and wearable biosensors to monitor motor symptoms and disease progression. On the market pull side, the high unmet needs in advanced PD drive the search for therapies that reduce OFF episodes and non-motor symptoms. Patient-centric care increases the demand for home-based infusion and telemedicine-enabled therapies. And regulatory incentives such as orphan drug designations and breakthrough therapy status support faster development timelines. Next, let's review the leading innovators. We analyzed the top 20 PD assets using our proprietary framework, scoring each on a scale of 1 to 9. The top 4 companies based on our scores are 𝗪𝗡, 𝗪𝗛𝗏, Roche, and Zambon. Here's a closer look at the 4 leading assets. 𝗪𝗡's Vyalev, a continuous subcutaneous infusion of levodopa, phosphorlevodopa prodrugs, provides stable delivery, reducing fluctuations and the need for rescue medication. Approved in October 2024, it offers patent protection until 2036 and regulatory exclusivity through 2030. 𝗪𝗛𝗏 Pharmaceuticals' Onapgo provides continuous subcutaneous delivery of apomorphine, reducing the need for on-demand injections. This less invasive approach improves quality of life for patients experiencing OFF episodes. Onapgo, approved in February 2025, offers patent and exclusivity protection similar to Vyalev. We forecast peak annual sales between $200 to $300 million and estimate its NPV around $1.2 billion. Acadia Pharmaceuticals' 𝗪𝗛𝗔𝗧 was the first and remains the only approved treatment for PD psychosis. While it generated $500 million in sales upon approval in 2016, the introduction of generics in 2024 has significantly impacted sales. We estimate its current annual sales to be around $100 million and its NPV at $2 billion. Roche and Prothena's prasinezumab targets alpha-synuclein, one of the hallmarks of PD pathology. As a disease-modifying therapy, this monoclonal antibody aims to slow disease progression. Currently in late-stage development, Prothena estimates peak royalties at $275 million per year. Based on future royalty streams, we assign it an NPV of $2.5 billion. In addition to these 4 assets, 𝗪𝗛𝗔𝗦 is another notable therapy with a dual mechanism of action, reversible MALB inhibition and glutamate modulation. While expected to show modest growth with sales of $150 million by 2030, its NPV is estimated at $800 million due to its U.S. patent expiring in 2027. Finally, let's touch on the diagnostics landscape. Although there are currently no FDA-approved standalone diagnostics for PD, several advancements are worth noting. AI-enhanced imaging, such as the use of machine learning to integrate PET or MRI data, help identify early-stage PD, potentially revolutionizing diagnosis. Wearable devices like 𝗓𝗫𝗫 and BioStamp enable continuous motor symptom tracking, aiding in personalized treatment plans. Biomarker-based approaches utilizing alpha-synuclein, DJ1, and tau protein hold promise for early and accurate PD detection. These tools can be integrated with digital therapeutics, or DTX, to support earlier diagnosis, patient stratification, and real-time treatment adjustments. In conclusion, the future of PD treatment and diagnosis lies in addressing unmet needs, leveraging advanced technologies, and embracing digital integration. By focusing on these areas, the healthcare industry can continue to improve the lives of those living with PD. Thank you for watching. To access more content like this, subscribe to our channel and visit our website.